Kamusta? Welcome to another episode of Inside the Mind of. And this is Inside the Mind of Xuanning. Hi, kamusta? Yay!
Hey, thank you so much, Coach Ken, for inviting me here in your Inside the Mind.
So ngayon, ito yung, let's start with the question kaagad. I'm very, very interested on what you've been doing for the past years. Kasi, I mean, we're friends on Facebook.
Yes,
I always see your posts, I always see your events, yung mga engagements, di ba? Ang dami yung talks ngayon and ang daming taong uma-attend. So, for our audience right now, could you tell us more of like what you're currently doing? I'm very interested and curious.
Right now, I am, let's say, life coach.
Okay.
But when you say life coach, it's like more personal.
Mm-hmm.
So when it comes to personal, we are actually looking at your birthday. Because yung birthday natin, ito yung unique code natin sa universe.
Okay.
And this is something that we cannot change. And most of the time, yung mga tao is, we are lost right now. We are lost and we don't know what we really need to do in our life. Even though na we already reach at 40 or 50, you are still, dumadating yun sa point na iniisip mo, I want to do something meaningful, but I don't know what to do or who am I really am.
Okay.
Correct. So, right now, actually yung birthday natin, yun yung ating blueprint or life manual, why we are in this world.
Mm-hmm.
But, the weird thing is, tayong mga, di ba yung mga bagay, may mga instructions sa life, may life manual, okay, itong mic na to, ganito siya gagawin.
Yeah.
But the weirdest thing, how come human beings, we don't have that? So we were raised in the beginning on how we should act and who should we, kung sino ba talaga tayo, di ba? So, after learning this wisdom, what I'm doing, I realized na, hindi pala ako to. Ano lang pala to, pinush lang na, kasi ito yung tinuro ng school ko eh. Ito yung pinush sa akin ng parents ko na gawin ko. But all of us, there are certain thing na kung ano talaga tayo at ano yung kailangan nating gawin, bakit nandito tayo sa mundo. And this, what I'm doing right now, most of our students were already leaders, entrepreneurs, very successful.
Kita ko nga. Yeah,
Very
kita ko nga.
successful people. They have everything, but how come they are still seeking more? Because external materials, achievements, rewards, those are just earthly things. But there is something that we are looking something inside, di ba? So let's just say, example, how come I'm not having a good relationship with my parents?
Mm-hmm.
How come I'm not having a good relationship with my child? How come I'm always attracting the wrong people? Those are some things that we cannot understand.
Mm-hmm.
But here, what we're doing right now, we would be able to understand ourselves and our life itself. Because we ourselves, we are the cause and we're also the result. And through our birthday, we would be able to know that.
Okay, well, could you tell us more about the system, how it works? Kasi ano yung pinaka-important na malaman so that you could work with a person? So, birthday.
Yes, birthday.
How specific should it be? Kasi I do think na may birthday, may birth time.
Yes.
May kasama ba birth
Kasama
second?
din yung kasama
Meron ba?
din yung birth time.
Ano ba yung mga nalalag dati sa mga birthday time lang, 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Meron bang mga nasa birth certificate, pati second nakalag?
Second
Importante
is okay.
ba sa inyo na may second pa?
Hindi naman importante yung second.
Minutes, by the minute,
Hindi rin. Basta,
by the hour.
By the hour is important.
Okay, by the
yeah.
hour, kung, tas kung umaga, hapon, yan. Umaga, hapon, gabi. Okay. Could you tell us more about, like, the system? I mean, how does it work? And yun nga yung una kong tanong kanina. So, birthday lang yung kailangan mo? So, birthday lang?
Yeah, birthday, and then we calculate everything. So, from your birthday, makikita natin kung ano ba yung strengths mo, your inner
Wow.
potential. So, dun sa birthday na yon, we would understand more why we behave this way, both positive and negative, why we are attracting this kind of people, why we're having this kind of career, why I'm not having this kind of career.
Kaya ma-determine yun dun sa birthday alone? Wow! Solid!
Yes.
Ang laking, very curious ako. Sige, is there some, like, what's the system called? I mean, what do you call it?
So actually, this system is an ancient Chinese system.
Okay.
And this system has been already existing 5,000 years ago.
Okay, matagal na.
Yeah,
Sobrang
matagal
tagal
na. So, and it has been already validated. But right now, the numbers is 60 million. But I don't know paano pa yung sa past.
Okay.
Right? So, it's very practical talaga siya in validating.
Okay.
Because when you use this system, in 50 seconds, you would be able to know yung tunay na isang ugali ng tao. So, papasok pa rin yung human behavior
regardless
pa
of
rin.
age ba?
Regardless of age. Well, papasukin na lang natin like when it comes to dating, di ba? Dating.
Okay.
Ang una, di ba, may kita mo, I like this person. And then pagdating ng, bakit ganyan na siya? Dumadating sa buhay, bakit ganun na siya? But in this system, you would be able to, in 50 seconds lang, may kita mo na kagad yung tunay na pagkatao niya.
Wow.
Yes.
Ay, very, kasi sobrang curious ko excited din ako to ask questions here. Do you have to memorize all the data?
Actually, you don't need to memorize.
Siyempre, parang, kasi ganito. Do you have to memorize all the data?
No. Actually, it's very easy to understand.
Okay.
So, that's what we are teaching, especially if you are a leader and an entrepreneur. Because as an entrepreneur, a leader, as a parent is a leader as well, right? You need to be strong. You have a strong foundation. If you're not strong enough, how are you going to handle your children, your people? Diba? But through this wisdom, you would be able to see, okay, I'm in this level of myself. Sabihin na lang natin na energy. Kasi nararamdaman din natin, we are all energies, right?
Yeah.
We all have energies and frequency. Nararamdaman yun lahat ng tao. So if you're not okay, maapektuhan din yung mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo, especially yung kung sino yung nakahawak sa'yo, like your children, your team members. So, that's why most of our students are entrepreneurs and leaders because they want to hold their team. Actually, hindi lang pati yung buong family nila eh. Dinadala din nila doon. Kasi we are looking into the future na din eh. You're not looking at the present, kung ano lang yung pwedeng maibigay mo. But you're also in this position of what I can leave, what can I help to these people. Ganun siya. Like we were also talking about legacy na din, longevity.
Tama.
Ganon.
Yeah, kasi nabanggit mo yung sa mga uma-attend, di ba? Kasi parang every month, meron kayong workshop or consort. Dami. Iba-ibang locations kayo na gano'n. Online, face-to-face. So yung mga pupunta is most of them for learning to understand the knowledge, the skill, the wisdom, or to get to understand themselves lang?
Actually, most of them looking for their purpose in life.
So talagang hindi naman ako nandito para matutunan to. But I want to, I'm looking for guidance, I'm looking for wisdom to help me make better decisions with my life.
Yes, that's correct.
Wow, okay.
Sa Philippines, nag-start kami recently lang, October 25.
25, yeah.
And for the non-Chinese or English community, we just started 2023 or 2024, Coach. Kaka-start lang talaga siya.
Ako nababantayan ko kasi friends tayo sa Facebook. Nakikita ko nga yung nung nagsisimula yung lahat. Tas, I got invited also nung mga early stages yata eh. Kaso hindi ako available nung... hindi ako available nun.
Ni
Sayang.
Jassy, yes.
Oo. Pero sige, could you invite them sa mga events nyo? Or where can they follow you? Where can they get more information about these events?
Just follow me on Facebook. My username is Shanningan. XUANNINGGAN.
Okay.
And
Ilalagay ko yung link.
yes, ilalagay na lang natin yung
Ilalagay
link,
ko yung
Coach.
link. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description. Promise ko
Oo.
yan, promise ko yan. So for our friends who are listening na sobrang interested to learn more, any like first steps for them? Meron ka bang mga tips sa kanila to learn more about you? Maliban sa pag-follow sa page mo, do they have to do initial research or do they have to just register and join the workshop or the event?
Actually, we have free workshop every Sunday,
Oh, nice.
4 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Philippine time
Philippine time.
Hindi yung Philippine time na late. Philippine time na on time.
On time yun.
4 p.m. Manila.
And then, if you want to deepen your knowledge, we will provide you all the tools so that you can use that in your personal, to your business, to your team. Every month, we have live classes and online classes. But as I've said, I'm encouraging you to attend the live class because iba talaga siya. I cannot explain, but yeah, just please attend our live class every month.
As I always advocate, ang laki ng bagay when you attend live programs or live workshops because not just you're getting value from what you've attended, but you can also create like new friendships, new relationships, and network with the people who are there. Laking bagay nun. Di ba? Ang ganda ng environment na nandun eh. Diba? Take advantage of it and grow with the community or the people. Same interest eh. Nandun na kayo, di ba? Ang ganda ng energy nun. Yun lang, may ano ka ba? May gusto ka pa bang sabihin? Parting
yes,
message
Coach.
natin?
So, not only that, Coach, if because this is a continuous life-changing and self-development, di ba yung pagbabago ng life natin, hindi naman nagsa-stop yun.
Yeah.
So, that's why this already includes a lifetime also one-on-one consultation with our master teacher.
Ang laki naman nun, grabe. Unlimited.
Unlimited ko. As long, what's important, the next question is, if you are willing to help yourself and to change yourself, then you will come.
Siyempre, yes yung sagot doon, di ba?
Yes.
You should always be ready to change yourself for the better. Laking bagay nun.
And yun nga, Coach, you can have consultation when it comes to health, relationship, family, career,
Circle of life,
business, circle of life. We can do that for you. Yeah.
Ano lang, may pumasok lang na question sa utak ko. So, yung question ko is, meron akong mga friends na gusto marami sila or they want to sa company nila or ganun. Ano yung kailangan mangyari? Do they have to just message you to organize or how does this work?
Yes, Coach. Actually, pwedeng mag-organize kahit sinong tao.
Okay.
As long as we have at least 20 students.
Basta 20 tas message ka nila.
Message nyo lang ako. Yun lang yung we just need 20 students and we will be the one who will take care of the venue. So, you don't need to worry about the other logistics, just students only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ang pinaka-importanting step dito is to message Shanning na lang, no? Message ka na lang nila. Sige, sa akin, ang daming learnings this episode. There's a lot of data na hindi natin naintindihan mula ng dati, but there are people who really spend time to figure things out and to share this information to you. Pinaka-important na learnings dito is pattern breaking pa rin. Okay? When you get to understand the pattern, you have now the power to either let it continue or to stop it. Ang laking bagay nun. So, sa akin, I'm really, really thankful for you guesting for this episode. Swanning, salamat.
Coach, ako talaga thank you for inviting me here.
Siyempre naman. So, magkikita naman tayo palagi.
Yeah.
So, ako, yun nga, very, very thankful. because I'm seeing a lot of people changing their lives when they talk to you. And ako, very, very happy talaga ako for that. Salamat.
Uy, salamat din. Ako din, coach. Kaya natutunan din ako.
Ay, salamat.
Oo.
Hindi,
Kahit nagka-conversation na tayo, ang dami ko natutunan.
Salamat. Pero again, kung marami kayo natutunan with this episode ng Inside the Mind of, maraming pang mga episodes na pwede kayo magbalik tanaw. Pero moving forward, we'll talk to more people. For me, it's always nice to be curious and to learn more about different approaches on how we could improve ourselves. So again, see you on the next episode of Inside the Mind of. My name is Ken Sumera. Bye-bye.